Hi, it's Paddy Hirsch at Marketplace. A correction is something that happens after you get something wrong. I'm not talking about your nice teacher correcting your spelling for you or anything like that. When it comes to the markets, a correction's much more like your mean uncle giving you a whack round the ear for getting ahead of yourself. I know that sounds mean, but when it comes to the financial markets, corrections are no fun. They can be short, sharp, and they can leave the investor feeling like he or she is about to lose their lunch. They're a lot like your old-fashioned roller coaster, the ones they used to have back in the day with the very steep drops. So imagine this truck here going up the roller coaster. This is your investor getting very enthusiastic about something. They're starting to throw lots of money at a bond or a commodity or a stock, or maybe even a whole market full of stocks. Pretty soon you've got demand outstripping supply. What does that do? It drives the price way higher than it should be. Of course, a smart investor is going to see this. They're going to realize the price is way too high for the commodity. They're going to stop buying. Pretty soon all the other investors are going to catch on. The next thing you know, you've got a really steep price drop. Now, in a correction, you generally have a downward trend of between 5 and 20% in the market. And just like your old-fashioned roller coaster, it doesn't last that long. Right? The longest a correction is going to last generally is going to be 2 months tops. Then the market's going to re-establish itself. It's going to regain its equilibrium. We're going to have this balance of supply and demand, and people are going to start buying again. A correction is not to be confused with a bear market. A bear market is a long-term downward trend of 20% or more with no discernible bottom. You have no idea how low that's going to go. So don't get a correction mixed up with a bear market. If you do, it could leave you very badly needing a drink.